Bird of Paradise. Let's go. I have a demo in my
So welcome.
Wow. So that's all for me?
Yeah.
Nice.
First floor and second floor.
Okay, I just did one floor. Wow, romantic setup. I'm not expecting anyone though.
So this will be the first floor. It's a king bed, and you have the safety deposit box for your valuable items and cash, ma'am, sir. And we also have the toilet and the bathroom here. So if you need some extra towels, just inform us so we can send it here. So we also have the kitchen, sir. If you want to cook, you can just use this induction cooker. And then we also have the kitchen utensils here.
Wow. It's a second floor room na pot.
Yes, sir. Good for 4 packs.
4 packs tanan. So nice. So 2 downstairs and 4 here, 6 in total. Okay, I guess will be enough for me. Huge bathroom. That's bigger than downstairs.
Yes, sir. So I'll give you the key card po. So if you have any concerns in the room, you can just visit us in the reception.
Thank you so much, Camille.
Sir.
Okay, not only I have 6 bed spaces for myself, romantic setup, but what I like is this private pool.
Leave it here.
Tagay na. Sama ni? Mojito?
I'm not sure.
Thank you so much, Camille. Okay, I guess they don't give high five here. Calamansi juice, not alcoholic but refreshing. I mean, they invite me over to show me the place so I can show you guys. I will be still giving my honest review about the place, if it's worth it or not. I will be giving you exactly more details about the place, cost of it, of course, how many you can accommodate, how it works. I still need to figure it out. Let's figure it out together. So make sure you watch it until the end, because I will still be giving you my honest review about Bird of Paradise. Anyway, as you see entering here, the place is huge. I mean, look at this villa here. This is all for me right now. You can comfortably accommodate 2 downstairs and 4 upstairs, so 6 people very comfortably. Totally enclosed. The restaurant area is just next to this door, but it's all covered. You have a private pool all for yourself. There's a kitchen in the back if you want to cook. It also have like an espresso machine with those capsules. The check-in, it was nice and smooth. They show me around. But anyway, this resort is divided in 2 parts. There is this side here that is all private villas, just like this one I'm staying right now. And on the other side, they also have the regular rooms that we're going to check right now. How many villas you have like that? 6 private villas.
Then, 6 guy deluxe and 2 superior rooms.
Of these rooms? 6.
The 2 up and down is superior. This one up and down is deluxe.
So 2 superiors and 6 deluxe. Okay. So the deluxe good for how many people?
3.
3. And the superior?
Good for 3.
3 all?
So, the difference is the balcony.
Mas dako.
Mas dako ang space sa room.
Do you know the price range? Pilang deluxe ang pinakabarato?
Pagkakaroon is mas mga 7K, I think, sir.
Around 7K, and then superior
Is 9.
9K, and the private villa
Is sa ang pagkahiwa, sir, nas mga 15 or 16.
15 to 16. Dagan guys karon no.
Kulibok ta, sir.
Okay guys, this is the deluxe room. Good for 3 comfortable, big bed in this side, another small bed here. It's pretty spacious, as you can see. Plenty of light also. with the view straight to the garden. Right there you can see the pool just right there. We have the bathroom here, also pretty big. Like, okay, the shower is just right here. You cannot really close it, but I guess it's not a problem here. Two sinks, little terrace, smoking area also here. Pwede smoking dire or bawal? Ah, okay, that's good. So as you can see here, guys, you also have a little table. You can have your breakfast here, but it's also a smoking area. So if you're a smoker, you can just chill outside your room. You have this terrace just for you, overlooking the pool. This is Win, is the one showing me around. Hi Win.
Hello.
Thank you so much for showing me.
Thank you so much, Dan.
How many years have you been working here now?
Almost 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 years when working here at Bird of Paradise. You could find me a room to show because you told me it's fully booked. And we will have a check-in here tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Diba? So parating ka. Mabuhay. Isa pa. Ito. Oy, sige ka. Thank you, Camille. How long you been working here, Camille?
For almost 1 year and 6 months, I think.
Ah, okay. Okay na. You're from here? From Panglao?
From Lombok, sir.
Ah, from Lombok. Nice. Layo.
Super.
Stuff seems very nice. I'm back in my room. I have like a few hours to kill. You know what I'm thinking, right? Whew. Oh yeah. I mean, it's not a huge pool, right? You can see it, but it's not that small either. You cannot really do like a proper swimming, but just to relax and cool down. If you are here with some friends, with a couple of drinks here, or the kids would love a place like this. This is 50 to 60,000 pesos. 16 divided 6. 2,600 pesos each. That's reasonable. For this privacy, the location is great. It has a restaurant just right here. It's super well connected with Alona Beach. They also offer a tuk-tuk or a tricycle for free to all the guests, just to go out here in the surrounding areas if you don't want to walk. Until what time is the happy hour?
7 p.m., sir.
Perfect!
Yes.
Happy hour?
30%, sir.
30%. Sa tanan game?
Tanang cocktail. Cocktail only,
Cocktail
sir.
sira. Sige go, takay ta.
Okay.
Wow.
You're welcome. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm having a Bird of Paradise. That's their signature cocktail. Ingredients, what are the ingredients?
Our base here is the Yaguara Cachaca. Then there is a pineapple juice, a pandan syrup, and lime juice.
Wow, nice. And you are?
I am Alaika. I'm the supervisor of the bar.
Wow, supervisor, bartender, and everything. Thank you so much. Cheers. Cute glass, definitely. Oh, nice cocktail. It has a kick. You can feel the cachaça, the pineapple. It's sweet. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
So take advantage of the happy hour every day, 1 p.m. until 7 p.m.
Yes, sir. In Bird of Paradise, we have lots of different types of bases, which is our premiums. There's no locals.
No locals.
No locals.
Ikaw lang local.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Cebu, sir. I'm
From
Cebuana.
Cebu. Okay, not local also, not Bohol. Imported also. Do you like working here?
Yes, sir. I really like it.
Cebu is the most meat merchant wines. Yeah. Where is that? But this is Okay. Quiet evening. I just spent it at the bar, had some food there, some beers, a good chat. So it's 11:30. I think I had enough talking. I think I had enough beers. I will just hit the bed. Oh, it's comfy. Let's go to the beach tomorrow, okay, guys? Good night. 감사합니다. Okay. Good morning, guys. It was a nice sleep actually. The bed is very comfortable and I think the beers also helped. Anyway, it's breakfast time. I got my coffee, got some cereals, couple of eggs, and then the usual toast, bacon, some potato wedges. So they have a good spread there. They have the hot dishes with the rice for the Filipino breakfast. I can see pork, I can see chicken. They have like a cold station with fruits and salads, even kimchi and cold cuts. And they have this egg station when they prepare the eggs just as you want. I asked for sunny side up eggs, pretty decent breakfast.
How was your breakfast, sir?
It was good. Orok tanan. Thank you so much, Bia.
You're welcome.
I finished everything. The only one I had some problems with is this butter. This is not butter. The owners are actually French, so I was kind of expecting a real deal, but the rest was excellent, really. Nothing to say about the rest. And the service is very nice also. Pwede po na. Diba? Pwede na. O pwede na. O pwede ka na. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you so much, Lisa.
Maybe okay na room, so I will just assist you going.
Ay, sige. Let's see another room. Where are you from, Lace?
I'm from Tubigon, Bohol.
Wow, Tubigon, malayo. Do you like working here? Interview. How long you been working here na?
8 months.
Ah, okay.
Ano, gisira.
It's a prank.
Sino sa HK? Magtawag sa akong HK, sir, ha?
Sige.
Ako ko, nung kinaa mo, gilay yung gisira.
That was a prank from Lace.
Sorry, sir.
They showed me another room supposedly. Okay, I didn't tell you everything. I'm also here doing some pictures for them. I'm doing also like a little video for the resort. So since I'm doing all this job, they offer me the room so I can take more shots daytime, morning, and everything. And at the same time, enjoying this beautiful place. So it's a little bit combining work with pleasure, let's say.
Yes, sir.
So Jess, I wanna go to the beach.
Yes, sir.
Sa Alona na lang.
Okay, sir.
So Dalira, we just wanna see how long it takes to go to Alona. I do picture gamay and then baling na diretso, ha? Kaya busy ka sa kitchen, di ba?
Yes.
Laban lang. Okay, let's go, Jess. So at the resort, they have this free service for all the guests. They have this tuk-tuk available for everybody. I asked the driver here, Jess, to just take me to Alona Beach, the most popular beach in all Panglao. So we are now leaving the resort. It's exactly 11:30 a.m. Let's see how many minutes it takes to get there to Alona. 1 minute later, we already are in all the restaurants areas here around Panglao. You see, here now it's getting busier. We have the Panglao and Jollibee there. We have restaurants and coffee shops. And down here, going to Alona Beach. Here we are. Thank you, Jess. Bang fist. Balik pa diretso. I just went to take some picture. Asa ka? Diretso lang ka? U-turn na lang. Sige. Okay, exactly 3 minutes away. 3 minutes tuk-tuk drive. I mean, you can take the tuk-tuk, but to be honest, if you're not as lazy as me, you can easily walk. Countryside tour, island hopping, thank you. And what a beautiful day in Alona Beach. High tide. Oh my god, this place never gets old. How beautiful is Alona Beach, seriously. We are now in low season. People are complaining that we don't have tourists, but I still see a lot of people around enjoying this beautiful day on the beach. Going down here is going to Henan, Amorita down there. And going this way, more resorts and restaurants. So 3 minutes right away from Bird of Paradise. I wish I could have spent the whole day eating Alona, especially on a beautiful day like this. But it's time for me to check out and say goodbye to Bird of Paradise. I really enjoyed my stay here. It's peaceful, well-maintained, and offers a level of comfort that's becoming harder and harder to find here in Panglao. It's not directly on the beach, but everything is still within easy reach, making it a great option if you're looking for a quieter and more relaxing stay away from the crowds. If you're planning a trip to Panglao, Bird of Paradise is definitely a resort worth considering. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.